old station where we can shop for meat and vegetables. 3.5. So 35 for some limes. Check out the ceiling. Chickens. Salam alaikum. Mumkin basawar? Sorry. No, I'm sorry. Hello from downtown Cairo. So I'm a little bit hot and hungry today, and I thought I would take you guys to a local souk where we can shop for meat and vegetables. So they have a butcher there and they have vegetables. I don't know if they'll mind me filming, but let's go and find out. It's just a few blocks away. Right now I'm standing in front of Lycée Français, Old French Institute. So pretty quiet on this street. Have some cats hanging out underneath a car. Little mama and a baby. Ah, yes, many cats all over Egypt. So it's not too bad today. It's 33. And there's a breeze, thank God for that. And yes, just around the corner from Tahrir Square. And yes, let's go into the souk. Yalla. A cafe I thought about going to grab food immediately. Oldish cafe. I usually frequent like the cheaper outdoor, more local cafes, but if you're looking for a quiet refuge, it's a nice cafe. Got a little courtyard and then indoor seating as well with AC. So maybe I'll show you guys that sometime, but not today. So you have some vegetables back there. I think I might buy some ingredients to make salsa. Maybe some tomatoes, hot peppers, onions. We'll see what they have and what's looking fresh. But yeah, if you're in downtown Cairo and you're wanting to maybe get some fresh fruit, maybe you're staying in an Airbnb and want to cook some meat, maybe you're living here, I don't know. But yeah, if you're trying to buy some produce or meat from a butcher, Souq Bab El-Louk is the name of this place, and it is local little souk here in downtown Cairo. He's like, film me, if I understood correctly. So is this the entrance to to the Souq? I believe it is. $3.5. So 35 for some limes. So I think this is like inside of an old train station, or you know what? I used to know what this building used to be, but check out the ceiling. Yeah, an old train station or some sort of slaughterhouse. I'm not even sure. I forgot. I used to know.
Welcome. What's the country?
America.
America, very nice.
بحب
Football Messi.
ايه ميسي؟
Yes, football.
Argentina.
In Miami.
ايه
Football. American Miami. Messi.
Miami. Oh,
Yeah.
best. My father, Baba, is from Argentina.
Yeah,
So
Argentina.
Messi.
Yeah.
شكرا. مع السلامة. Okay. So, chickens. And other random items. I'm leaving, so I'm going to turn around really quickly. Yes, let's go this way. Assalamu alaikum. ايه ايه صوري عندي قناة على يوتيوب. بس ايه انا اسفة انا فاهمة شوية. ايه اهلا يوتيوب هاي. ايه انا فوتو تمام.
فراعنة خفرع
كايرو ها كله شكرا.
عايز شبه حاجة
ايه
درينك
كله تمام. انا بصور سوق.
ايوه
شكرا مع السلامة.
الله يسلمك.
Hey, so maybe I'm here too early or too late. I always never know when to come into this market. Sometimes it's completely quiet in the morning. Maybe it's like, I think 3 p.m. or something. Anyways, they just asked me if I wanted some tea, but I told them I'm gonna film. I'm really hungry. Here's some meat. Usually I get chicken here. I've been here in the past. Doesn't look like that busy or that big of a selection at the moment. I am curious how much some chicken costs though. So let's find out. Tamam? Shukran. بكم فراخ؟
170
ايه؟
170
170
170
دي؟
1 كيلو
1 كيلو. تمام عايزة
1 كيلو
شكرا.
سمول ولا سليم؟
هي بس كمان تمام. Okay, 170 for a kilo of chicken. Much better than at other places. ايوه ايه تمام شكرا. الجو حار. see. شكرا.
عفوا 230
ايه
230
230 30 اوكي.
بصي
انا اسفه. شكرا. تمام شكرا. مع السلامة شكرا. So my Arabic is so-so, but 230 for a kilo. I don't know, you guys saw the weight there of chicken. A little bit more, but still cheaper than at another shop. So yeah, if you go to the butcher, it's going to be usually a bit cheaper than buying it at like a grocery store. And here we have vegetables. I need to get some vegetables. I need onion. Salam alaikum. ممكن بصور؟ بصور شكرا. تمام. Is a شوي. Oh, is this for you? Sorry. No, I'm sorry. I thought maybe you worked here. مش شاغل هنا. شكرا. Totally a customer not working here. It's so hot. شكرا. Okay. So hot, guys. I need food. I'm like dying. I couldn't start the bike, so I rode an Uber here, and I'm glad I couldn't ride the bike because I don't think I'm thinking straight. I'm dizzy. Okay. Some onions. And tomatoes. Make sure to get the good tomatoes. Okay. I should ask how much this is. ¿De qué نص كيلو قوطة؟ إيه؟ 3 ونص؟ 3 ونص. نص كيلو.
Kilo 7.
Oh, okay, so a kilo of tomatoes is 70. I can't remember. I never buy that many, to be honest. So 35 for half a kilo. I don't know if the lady by my house is cheaper or not, but I'm here now. So I don't come here too often. I did in the past when I was staying in downtown in the beginning of me living in Egypt, but hot peppers. What else do I need? I think that's pretty much it. I have garlic at my house and limes at my house. Come on. Oh, شكرا. خلاص. Oh, دلوقتي. Why just giving me a banana? بلاش. شكرا. Okay. Well, I did say I needed food, eh? Thanks, dude. Actually, that feels great. I need energy. So yeah, I gotta set this down so I can pay. تمام؟ إيه؟ 17. 14. تمام. Okay. 4. Oh. شكرا قوي. Oh, okay. I cannot think in Arabic or speak Arabic or do anything right now. I'm gonna eat this banana. Maybe that'll help. So all these vegetables came to 14 guinea. Not bad. I never buy a lot. I'm only feeding myself and my boyfriend. Okay. Alright guys, so that is Souq Bab El-Louk, just down the road from Tahrir Square. Hot out here. Woo. Dying today. So yeah, Souq Bab El-Louk in this old station. Let's see if you can see the name up there. I don't know. Oh yeah, behind me, just a few blocks is Tahrir Square, that way, Tala Har. And I used to stay a few blocks from here in a hostel for several months before finding my own apartment. So yeah, if you're looking for vegetables, there's a lot of vegetable stands on the corners everywhere in Egypt, including downtown a few. But if you want an actual souk with vegetables and meat, Souq Bab El-Louk, baby. All right, I think I need to go get some energy. I'm a little depleted today, but thanks for following along. I will see you guys on the next one.